It's Friday. It's hot. I ain't got shit to do. 2-minute trade review.
Cause it's Friday, you ain't got no job, and you ain't got shit to do.
Micron, with a controlled pullback to a defined support level after buyers are showing up, gave us a very tight risk entry. We were able to sell some today, so let's go look at the trade. All right, so real quick, we can see that I bought MU here 4 days ago and I began selling it around this 55 mark, taking some profit. Needs a little pullback on the daily, but I'm still holding my core position. I think this still goes higher. Now let's talk about what I was seeing in the trade. So Micron obviously has this resistance area right here in the 50 area, but we were looking to buy down here at support. And here's what I'm talking about with the controlled pullback. So we have this defined support level right here, right? Buyers keep supporting it. So here is a very important day. We see the sellers try to push the stock through the support level, and if this massive support level breaks, we can expect a sharp move lower. So buyers don't want to see that. So they hold it up this day, and then this is the beautiful controlled pullback. 1, 2, 3, 4 days. It slowly grinded back lower to the support level, only to turn around on increased volume the next few days. Now, what did we see that we like this so much? We saw this day right here, and then we saw the retest proving this support level, and we were buying on the way up. We don't just buy blindly into the support level. So we can see on a 15-minute chart, it had already put in its low right here, and I was just buying on the way up at the end of the day. Of course, I didn't get all the size I wanted to because it's gapped up too much the next day, but I bought here 46.50, had a sell stop 45.50, risking a buck, and I'm selling up here 54.50. So great risk reward on that trade. Very simple trade, very easy concept. Controlled pullback to support, buying on the way up, and then taking some off into strength while holding my core position. I'm expecting a pullback on the daily chart, but the weekly chart tells me this thing is going higher. All right. Hope you learned something.